We are back! Yes, hello guys, welcome back, you horrible lot. Back by popular demand, and because it's now fixed and running, the SV650. God, I'm so happy. For those of you who are new to the channel and watching for the first time, my name's Tom. Thanks for being here. This is my 2001 Suzuki SV650 S. I bought this bike a couple of months ago, cheap as chips as a winter run around. It had loads of work done to it, and it was running. Was being the operative word. For one reason or another, a couple of little things went wrong with it, and as you can see, she is running and riding, and she is feeling sublime. She's been off the road for a few weeks. Turns out it was just water in the fuel. She is fueling perfectly, she's pulling like an absolute train, gearbox is feeling sweet, brakes are all good. Oh, today is a good day. I've got a day off, the sun's out, the roads are dry, which means I'm going for a little hoon. I'm going to clear the old girl out, give her a good old hounding, and we're going to have a little chit chat about why this bike is now staying and why I have absolutely and utterly fallen for it as a machine and as a bike to ride. Oh my god, I've missed this bike. Yes, God, I love these old bikes. You just can't beat old mechanicals, can you? You just can't. Carb fueled, an engine, tyres and a throttle. Now, I do not dislike modern bikes at all. My Harley's a 2018, my Versys is a 21 plate. They're brilliant. I absolutely love them. I love riding the Harley. It's loud, brash, obnoxious. The Versys is a tool, it does what it does. It's a touring bike and it does it well. But for all out shithousery and fun, every time I've had an older bike, whether it be the ZX6R that I had, the F800R that I had, and now this 650 SV, there's just something about them that tickles my little tinkle. I don't know what it is, but with all of the older bikes that I've owned previous to this SV, I've always preferred riding them. Whether it's the way it looks, the simplicity of the engineering, the way it is to ride. There's so many reasons why older bikes are still brilliant, but for me this SV ticks every single box. I cannot speak highly enough of this bike. There's a reason it's still going after 93,000 miles. There's a reason why there's still an abundance of parts online, brand new, second hand. There's a reason why there's still quite a few of these on the road. But for me, the main reason I love this bike is its fun factor. Let's go and find some fun roads so I can show you. Playtime. It is so nice to ride. And very fast. Oh my goodness. brilliant. Oh, this bike is running so good. Let's go right, so you can go up North Cliffs. It's got so much torque, it just grunts. North Cliffs. Very nice piece of road if you're ever down this way. It runs from Portrufe to Hale across the top of the cliffs. Very fast road, as I shall now demonstrate by obviously sticking to the speed limits. Cheers, my lovely. The third gear pulling this. Yes. Excellent, Smithers. Excellent. Yes, such a good bit of road this. Perfect for my little SV. I just love old bikes. They're just so simplistic. You can't really knock them. Just love old bikes, they're such good fun. I love this bike. Well, guess who's an idiot who didn't change the battery in his camera on that ride? Ultimately, the rest of the video, guys, was me making more sexual noises and a lot more throttle. But ultimately, I just love this bike. It's cheap to run, it's cheap to fix, looks mega, goes like the clappers. It's just all round a brilliant bike. I'm hoping it can stay on the channel for as long as it runs and lives. If you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, hit subscribe. Hopefully you'll be interested in seeing more of this tatty old thing. Hopefully I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.